Hey, what's up you guys? Today I've got for you some low effort, last minute Halloween costumes, and I thought I would share some of my basics that I found in my closet that I think make perfect Halloween costumes. Really fun, really simple. Hopefully it gives you some inspiration to some pieces you could pull out of your own wardrobe to sort of create a costume with it. And first up is Velma. Any orange sweater skirt combo with the red tights is going to be iconic, and especially if you have a pair of black heels and a fake pair of glasses, or in my case real, to sort of seal in the look. And then you just have to drop your shit on the floor and look for it. Costume made. This next one was really exciting for me to do because I'm really excited about the new Cruella de Vil movie, and I think the fashion in it is impeccable. So I definitely took some inspiration from that with the black tights and the pop of red shoes. I'll go ahead and put the link to the DIY for the shoes that I have in my cards up at the top, so keep an eye out for those. I've got a vintage houndstooth skirt that's sort of got a nice slit up the side just to keep things really modern and chic, along with a leather blouse that I have and a fur coat. The fur coat is essential. You can find it at any thrift store, so I definitely think that that is an important part to this costume that you really can't avoid. This one is a really basic, just generation sort of costume. So I have a lot of 60s mod dresses in my closet, and this is definitely my Ronald McDonald special, my beautiful 60s dress that I believe it doesn't have a tag on the inside, but it is signed on the bottom, but I'm not sure what it says. So if anyone can tell me who this is actually by, please don't say Ronald McDonald, because I've already made that joke. And I've paired it with some go-go boots that I have in my closet that I wear all the time. And there you go, you have another costume at your disposal. Yet another yee moment. I am obsessed with leather, all things suede, and so I have a lot of it, and a lot of it has fringe and can be quite cowgirl-esque. So I went ahead and I threw together some pieces. I wanted black to be a theme throughout this, but I didn't want it to be all black because then I feel like you get into like other territory. So I kept it simple with a beige vest and skirt combo, and then black shoes, bralette, and a cowboy hat, of course. This outfit's really fun, but I will not be turning around in it for obvious reasons. But I really like the idea of just a Playboy bunny. You can take any black bodysuit that you have in your wardrobe, pair it with some black leather gloves or silk gloves or whatever you can find at the Halloween store, some black tights, you can get a tail, you can get ears there, some black heels, really anything that's, black will work for this costume. You can even add shorts just to make it a little more conservative if you want. But I've been a bunny like 8 years in a row. Guess it's easy. Of course, you're gonna see the Heathers in this video. Of course. If you don't know, I have an extreme love for musical theater and for the movie The Heathers. I'm obsessed with it. So, of course, I'm doing most of the characters in this video. A plaid skirt, a turtleneck sweater, a blazer in the same color, and tights or knee-highs and shoes. You have all of them. So for this one, we're doing Heather McNamara. She's like the mean girl. She's the leader. She's the one that drinks the Drano and clocks out of life for good in the movie. If you don't already know, sorry for the spoiler. But then we've got Veronica Sawyer, our movie's heroine. I went ahead and I picked some darker accented pieces for her because she's definitely a darker character. I really like her aesthetic and her vibe. So she is obviously the blue one. So I went ahead and paired it with this like indigo blue blazer. I actually have an actual Veronica Sawyer costume, like one that I made to like match the stage version, the official stage version, I guess. But obviously this isn't in that video because I wanted this to sort of be things that I would normally wear, but make it Halloween. So that's what we're doing. But yeah, just like plaid skirts, colored shirt, blazer, shoes. Most of these pieces are exactly the same as each other, just in different colorways, or slightly different cuts. So this is, I believe, Heather Duke. But I love her. She's so cute. She's the best character, in my opinion. She's the one with the moral compass and the one who actually changes the most throughout the story, I think, besides Veronica, of course. But I really love Yellow as well. So obviously she's one of my favorite characters in that musical. But these are really iconic, and I think most people will recognize you, if not from the musical, from the movie. Birdie and Tuca. So I love Tuca and Birdie so much. It's a great show on Adult Swim, and I am obsessed with them. So I have a nice vintage pair of Levi's jeans from the men's section that I went ahead and distressed for my real life. All of these pieces are real life outfits, pieces rather, not outfits. But I've just got a red turtleneck to match hers and my white boots, and I'm Birdie. So I like the concept of a witch costume, but I like this sort of 90s post-grunge modern witch. I've got this corset top that I found at the thrift store, and the skirt portion is actually a dress that I've tucked inside itself. So the top part of the dress is just tucked into the butt part, I guess. So it's just a dress that I've folded in half basically and I've put on, along with some tall boots, some black lipstick. You've got yourself a witchy costume, and it's just really easy, really fun. And honestly, all of these are way more comfortable than my usual Halloween costumes, which are like really big and obnoxious and kind of uncomfortable to wear. So I hope you liked these and took some inspiration. If you are needing some last minute Halloween vibes, I hope this inspired you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!